should DJI reconsider and continue its production of their small but terrible Spark drone. Small but terrible, yep. It's a compliment, it's not an insult. It's a Filipino thing. I'll be giving my few thoughts regarding that. Also, I'll be putting a skin to this little guy. I can't wait to turn this one into an ube-like purple colored drone. Alright, so welcome back, Filman, Santiago and family channel once again. Before we'll proceed to the skinning, let me just share to you my thoughts on why DJI should go back into production for their Spark model drone. Even though it only has 1080p video output and not 4K, it is still good enough for me and for sure for other content creators out there as well. I just did a sunrise shot last weekend and I'm happy with the result. Its weight, which is at 300 grams, is also good enough to give that balance and stable flights even on windy and breezy conditions. They've sacrificed this factor, reason why they've created a bit lighter model which is below 250 grams to suit the no registration needed aspect. The 3000 meter range is not bad at all. I also don't want to lose sight of my drone, especially here where the no flying zone is strictly implemented. And the 50 kph speed with its sports mode is impressive. As to the size and comfort, although it is not that small compared to Mavic Mini when it's folded, but I have no issues with the Spark once it is inside the styro box. With these factors, I think DJI should continue producing the Spark model. In case DJI will heed to our call, baka naman DJI. I hope they will also improve the battery life. To be honest, the 15-minute power per battery is not enough. So we will now proceed with our skinning this one. So again, this is the skin that we got from Advanced Media UAE. Shout out to you guys. They gave me this as a freebie when I went there to purchase my Spark remote control during their garage sale. Anyway, I bought the remote controller for only 150 dirhams. So this is my Spark now. It's white. Yep, as you can see, it's white. So this skin will at least give our Spark a different look, different from the others. Okay, it's better to remove this so we can see. So this is the packaging. It's from PGY Tech, right? It's from PGY Tech. Skin for DJI Spark. It's a purple colored one. It's open actually. Okay, so this is the skin, and these are the accessories or the other. So for this package, I don't know. Yeah, we can use this later to wipe. So this is the installation auxiliary tools. There's a cleaning wipe, the wet one, and cleaning wipe for the dry one. And aside from that, there's this absorbent wipe as well. Wipe this with this wet one here. Then we'll follow it up with the dry one. The AC is facing here also, so it dries up easily. Then we will follow with this. We'll follow it up with this another dry absorbent wipe. Let's remove this now. Okay, there you go. Newly skinned Dji Spark. Look at that. Right, so that's it. That's the episode for today. We've finished the skinning of our old little Dji Spark. And also, baka naman, DJI, I hope they will continue producing Dji Spark. We would love to, you know, to see this in production. Alright, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and thank you also for reaching this part. Dagang salamat!